We are entering the beginning of the banana zone, as Raoul Pal is talking about. What's going on, my friends? The bull market momentum is back right here. This is the time to be paying attention to loading up the money. We've seen Ethereum move by 40% in 2 days and continue this upward trajectory. So today we're going to discuss what part of the bull market we are in. 85% of the bull market. We still have this 15% left over this bull market, but this can be very crucial 15%. And I want to also discuss with you, what is your exit plan strategy for crypto? Do you have it in place? Because if you don't have it in place, where you can get to the peaks of the market and then only see your portfolio go crash down the toilet. So let's get straight into the show, guys. We are seeing Bitcoin trading 103,647. We're inches away from breaking the previous all-time high and entering the price discovery. It's looking right now very bullish, but of course we need to overcome the previous resistance, and that is this level, $106,000 to $108,000. Once we do that, then we can go to the next price discovery mode. But we of course can face some rejection time. So we need to see how the market is going to perform during this area. Are we going to kind of consolidate and go sideways and then break in 1, 2, 3 times attempts, or we're going to reject it one more time and then reattempt again? So both scenarios are possible. We are seeing Ethereum continue its bullish momentum, and this is what usually sparks the next phase of the bull market for the altcoins, right? So it's something to really pay attention to, as very quickly Ethereum rose from $1,800 to $2,400. Now, we're seeing billionaire Tim Draper just said Bitcoin is going to infinity soon against the US dollars. Been investing for a very long time. So something to pay attention to, as the market sentiment is very bullish. We are back into the greed territory. Not extreme greed yet, but in the greed territory where we are trading right now. And if you look at the today, we see Doggy's hat is leading the way. We're seeing 46% over this week. Pepe up 54%. I mean, incredible moves for the altcoins, for the meme coins. This week, we're 85%, according to the Rec Capital. We're 85%, basically the last phase of the bull market. Progress will speed up, and also it's not the only, like we can see over here, market cap to thermal cap ratio. If we compare to the previous cycles where we are right now, we are in this final bull rally, right? Final bull rally. The last pump has started right now. Bitcoin back above $100,000, and the US hasn't even bought its strategic reserve yet. We are not even started to buy it. They hold $200 billion. They can quickly scale it to $600 billion. I mean, this is incredible. We see Facebook, Meta with Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram planning to enable crypto stablecoin payments for their 3.35 billion users. This is gonna be massive for adoption. Just imagine you open up your WhatsApp, open up your Facebook, and start just using the stable coins in crypto. How much more money is gonna come into the crypto? $2.2 billion worth of short liquidation if Bitcoin hits $114,000. Man, these shorts are piling up right now like crazy. This is part of the reason why Ethereum has spiked so much, because there is a lot of shorters in the market. They didn't understand the dynamic of this move, and a lot has been liquidated on the short side. GD Vance will be the first vice president to speak at a Bitcoin conference that is coming up soon. So that's something to watch for his speech. And looking again, simplifying 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 3 years of green, 1 years of red. We have 3 years of bull market, 1 year of bear market. We are at this year 2025. We should see a bullish year. Let's take a look at Bitcoin overall on a yearly basis, 12 months, and let's take a look. I mean, nothing really changed the plan. We're continuing moving high right now, creating a green year overall. So that's incredible to see, guys. Really, really incredible to see everything according to the plan. The old 4 year cycle is still intact. And last time, 2017 was actually a very, very big year. Number one, 2021 was a little bit lower. Let's see how much 2025 is going to be. We see USDT short Tether to be brought under US jurisdiction regardless of where it's based, according to the new version of Genius stablecoin bill. And what this means is that the Tether is going to must disclose everything regarding its holdings, how much they've been buying a lot of treasuries. Some people have been doubting if Tether really holds so much reserve as they claim they do. Well, under this new law, they're gonna come to U.S. jurisdictions because they are targeting U.S. people to be holding USDT Tether. So more transparency. So we have in 1 week, Stripe launched stablecoins in 100 countries. Ramp launched stablecoin cards. Superstate launched on-chain equities. Robinhood building their own crypto platform. The biggest deal in crypto history was Coinbase acquiring Deribit for multi-billion dollars. Meta is back in the stablecoin games. Ethereum is shipped a massive upgrade, and Bitcoin ripped through $100,000. It's pretty awesome week. I would say pretty awesome week. We have $10 trillion asset manager BlackRock meets with the SEC crypto task force to discuss staking for crypto options, tokenization, ETF approval standards. So close cooperation between the SEC, BlackRock, and the crypto space. Something not to be taken lightly. The UFC champion Conor McGregor calls on Ireland to create a Bitcoin strategic reserve, saying, quote, an Irish Bitcoin strategic reserve will give power to the people's money. Amazing. According to Raoul Pal, he talks about the banana zone. So banana zone coming, the banana zone, when everything is just skyrocketing, right? And what Raoul Pal is talking about, phase 2 should run until August or so, with short, sharp corrections on route, obviously. Please enjoy your fruit responsibly. He's talking about not over leverage, not create a super high leverage, because you can get liquidated very, very quickly and you can lose a lot of money very, very quickly. But this next phase is juicy, the banana zone phase. So Ethereum usually start the altcoin ripping through. If you look at the year of course for Ethereum has not closed, so this can take Ethereum to $10,000. Why not? I definitely don't see why. Ethereum is on the way right now. Ethereum is on the way to much higher price points, than this demonstrated right now, $2,400. So definitely deserve to be part of the portfolio. But look at Pepe once again. Pepe ripping through once again, following the Ethereum lead. 78% move. Pretty amazing. From the lows, of course, it's much higher. It's 125% move. So bargains are there when there is a lot of crashes like that, like this. You can find bargains. You can make a lot of money relatively quickly when you buy when everything is cheap. So right now you're left to start chasing more of this pump, and we're gonna see. Let's take a look at 8 hourly for Ethereum. We are in overbought territory. We did see this rejection over $2,460 with pretty big volume coming in, yeah, I would, right now it's kind of tricky We can do one more pump to 2600 and then we reject it, but the market is pretty bullish right now. I don't see a major reason why to be stuck on this level for 2400. And the market, you can see at this level of 2700, this was a lot of activity that broke to the downside that we might start seeing for Ethereum. So at least one more little pump here to 2700 before any major rejection for Ethereum is on the way. But you need to be careful because we are in overbought territory right now. If you look at the daily, we just enter it very, very sharply with a lot of volume, so things are looking good. What is your exit strategy? The exit strategy, if you look into Bitcoin, if you go to the Bitcoin Magazine Pro and you check the indicators and you see when is the time to be selling, when is the time to be offloading. If you look at the Bitcoin Magazine Pro, there is certain indicators that you can follow that will tell you exactly that. When is the time? When is the time to do it? So you just go here to the indicators over here, buy cycle top charts, Bitcoin charts, and you go here to MVRV Z score. We're not at the highs here, so also a big one. Indicator, let's see, unrealized profit and loss, another good chart to take a look at. When we are at the peaks, okay, when we're at the peaks, we are basically trading at the upper zone or even entering into the red zone. But let's take a look. My favorite one indicator is the Pi cycle top indicator. Let's search for it. Pi cycle top indicator, and this is where the green line is gonna coincide with the orange line. It's currently sitting at $157,000. Okay, this is the time to be exiting, not right now. So I hope that it makes sense, and you guys are excited for the final 15% phase of the bull market, the banana zone. I'll see you in the next video.